In the last section, we talked about a direct variation, and a direct variation was y over x. When the y over x of every point stayed constant, then it was a direct variation. It was our slope. Inverse variation, the definition is the products are constant. So instead of taking y over x, we're going to multiply the two. 2 times 15 is 30. 4 times 7.5 is 30. 10 times 3 is 30. 15 times 2 is 30. So now we could find what the inverse variation is. So in this one, I have 3 examples. I have to determine if it's a direct, inverse, or no variation. Direct, remember, is dealing with the slope, and we want to know if the slopes are constant, which is your y over your x. The inverse is the product constant, and if one of those two don't apply, then we know we have no variation. So let's start the first one. I think it's easy to take the product. So when I multiply that, I get 1.6. 0.5 times 20, I get 10. So right now, I know this is not the inverse. Well, let's test direct. So the direct, I'm going to say 8 divided by 0.2, and 8 divided by 0.2 is 40. And then I'll take 20 divided by 0.5, which is 40. I'll take 40 divided by 1, which is 40. And I'll take 60 divided by 1.5, and which is 40. Therefore, all of the slopes are consistent, so this is a direct variation. Let's try the second one. 40 times 0.2 is 8. 16 times 0.5 is 8. 1 times 8 is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. Therefore, this is an inverse variation. And the last one. Let's start with 0.5 times 40, and that's 20. Then we'll take 12 times 1.2, and that's 14.4. So at this point, I can cross off inverse there. So now let's take 40 divided by 0.5. So 40 divided by 0.5 is 80. Then I'll take 12 divided by 1.2, and that's 10. Therefore, I can eliminate direct, so this one has no variation.